Happy Friday, everyone! Welcome back to AI Signal and Noise, your weekly guide to the fast-moving world of artificial intelligence. I'm Taylor, and I am so excited for today's episode.
And I'm Morgan. It's Friday, which means we're looking back at the wildest AI news of the week. And honestly, it's been a lot. The pace is not slowing down.
Oh, absolutely massive. We've got everything from AI taking over your desktop to some surprising shifts in what paying consumers are actually choosing.
Yeah, plus some fascinating stuff about how these models lean politically and how startups are raising tens of millions to stress test them. Let's dive right in.
Okay, so first up, Google just baked computer control directly into Gemini 3.5 Flash. Like, it can literally see and operate your screen now, which is wild.
Wait, really? Flash? That's their smaller, faster model, right? I thought this kind of agentic stuff required the massive, ultra-powerful models like Ultra.
Right, that's what's so crazy. They put it right into the lightweight model, and it scored a 78.4 on the OS World benchmark, putting it basically on par with GPT 5.5.
Hold on, a 78.4? That's actually incredibly high for a lightweight model. But let's be real, Taylor. Having an AI click around my actual desktop makes me incredibly nervous. What if it goes rogue?
Oh, totally. I mean, they're pitching it to developers first using the Gemini API to build agents for software testing and office automation? It's not just running wild on consumer PCs yet.
Right, but if it's browsing the web and clicking things on its own, one bad prompt injection on a website and it could delete your files, or worse, leak sensitive data.
Dude, I know. Imagine a rogue ad on a website telling your agent to format your hard drive. But Google says it's built with safeguards and is sandboxed.
They always say that, Taylor, but putting this in Flash means it's cheap and fast enough for everyone to deploy. That's the real shift here. The cost of agents is plummeting.
Exactly. It's going to be everywhere. You could have micro agents running in the background of every single app, just doing your busy work while you watch.
Or creating a whole new category of automated chaos. I'm excited to see it, but I'll let other people test it first.
Fair enough. I'm definitely going to try to build a little script writer agent with it this weekend, though. I'll let you know if it breaks my computer.
Please do. Just make sure you back up your files first. What's next on the agenda?
Will do. So speaking of things people are actually using, did you see the TechCrunch report about Claude? It is apparently winning over paid users.
Wait, seriously? I thought ChatGPT had a complete monopoly on the consumer subscription market. Like, literally everyone I know pays for Plus.
That's what's so crazy. ChatGPT still has the massive overall market lead, but data shows paid users are increasingly choosing Anthropic's Claude instead.
Wow, honestly, I get it. Claude's writing style is just so much more natural. It doesn't sound like a robot trying to write an essay. It has more personality.
Exactly, dude. And projects and artifacts are absolute game changers for coding and writing. It feels like a collaborative workspace, not just a simple chat box.
Right, but OpenAI still has the brand recognition. It's like the Google of AI. Can Anthropic actually sustain this momentum long term, though? They need massive scale.
I think so. People who pay $20 a month are power users. They don't care about the brand. They just want the absolute best tool for the job.
True, power users are fickle. If GPT 5.5 or whatever's next blows Claude out of the water, they'll switch right back in a heartbeat.
Oh, totally. It's a total feature war. But right now, Anthropic is proving that product design and user experience can beat raw scale.
It's a huge win for them. It shows that the market isn't winner-take-all yet, which is great for us as consumers. Competition breeds innovation.
Absolutely. I've been using Claude way more lately myself, I have to admit. It just feels smarter sometimes.
I've noticed that too. Let's see if OpenAI's next big release can win us back. But for now, Anthropic has the crown.
Definitely, but with all these new agents and models, how do we even know they're safe? That actually brings us to Patronus AI.
Ah, the startup founded by former Meta AI researchers, right? I saw they just raised a massive $50 million funding round.
Yes, 50 million. Their investors are saying the demand from enterprise clients is just completely insatiable right now. Everyone wants what they're building.
And they're building digital worlds to stress test AI agents, correct? Tell me more about how that actually works in practice.
Basically, they create these simulated environments like fake customer service portals or financial databases and let rogue virtual users try to break the AI agent.
Oh, that's actually brilliant. Like a virtual firing range or a crash test simulator, but for software agents instead of physical cars.
Dude, exactly. Because if you're a bank, you can't just deploy an agent and hope it doesn't leak social security numbers, right? You need proof.
Right, you need automated, continuous testing, but 50 million is a huge valuation for a testing startup. Is the tech really that proprietary, or is it just hype?
Well, their founders are legit meta researchers who saw this gap early. Enterprises are terrified of hallucinations, so they're willing to pay a premium for peace of mind.
Mm-hmm. Fear is a great motivator for enterprise sales. If Patronus can become the industry standard for AI safety testing, that's a goldmine.
Totally. It's like the cybersecurity sector of the AI boom. You can't have the boom without the security to back it up.
Exactly. You need the guardrails before you can let these agents run wild on our computers, like we talked about earlier.
Right. It all connects back to trust. If we can't trust the agents, the whole AI revolution stalls out.
Very true. Let's hope these digital worlds actually work and aren't just another buzzword.
Absolutely. But speaking of things enterprises and users worry about, did you see that Washington Post investigation about political bias in chatbots?
Oh, I did. This is a spicy one. They tested all the major models on political questions, and the results were pretty eye-opening.
Dude, so spicy. Apparently, almost all of them still lean left. Even Elon Musk's Grok, which was literally marketed as anti-woke.
Wait, Grok leaned left too? That is hilarious. Musk is going to be absolutely furious about that, considering how much he complains about it.
Right? The Post found OpenAI's GPT 3.5 gave exclusively left-leaning arguments like 80% of the time. That is a massive percentage.
80% is wild. But wait, was there an outlier? I think I read that Google's Gemini actually did something different this time.
Yes, Gemini 3.1 Pro was the big exception. It actually presented both sides of the argument 93% of the time.
Wow, 93%. That's actually impressive. It sounds like Google really overcorrected after their earlier image generation controversies.
Oh, totally. They probably have the most intense alignment guidelines now, but it shows it is possible to build a balanced model.
But is balanced always what people want? Or do they just want a chatbot that agrees with their own personal worldview?
Oof, that is the real question, isn't it? If a model is truly neutral, it's probably going to annoy literally everyone at some point.
Exactly. It's a tightrope walk for these tech companies, and clearly, most of them haven't figured out the balance yet.
Yeah, it's a tough problem. But hey, at least Gemini is trying to give us both sides. It's a start, right?
Definitely. It's better than a model that just echoes one side of a complex issue constantly. Neutrality is hard, but necessary.
Agreed. It will be interesting to see if other models follow Gemini's lead or keep leaning into their biases.
Yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on how these models evolve as we head into election season.
Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode of AI Signal and Noise.
It's been a wild week of AI news, as always. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
Totally! Go out there, try some new models, and let us know what you think.
Have a great weekend, everyone. We will be back on Monday.